Idli Electronics. Today's recipe I am making for the ready mix Rava Idli. See, this is a Rava Idli ingredients I taken. So this is a MTR ready mix Rava Idli and I taken for the curd. So here first we can use it for the 2 spoons of Rava mixture here, and we can add for the first 1 spoon we can add it and mix it and keep it for 5 minutes. It get marinated. So again you can add it for the 2 cups and mix well for this. So we'll add it this. This we can mix well. I can keep for the 5 minutes. So later on I can add for the another 2 cups of curd and mix it and keep it. This is ready the batter. So now again after 5 minutes I can add for the again for the 2 cups, because so 1 cup we can take for the 1.5 cup of curd on that one. So this is I taken for 2 cups of that. So 3 cup of curd I taken here. We'll mix up well for this. Now the thick butter is ready. I can pour for the half glass of the water on this. This is a micro safe container we can use. So you want, you can just brush with the oil for this. This is a idli container. So you want to use it on the cups also, you can use it on the cups. Just pour it on this. So you can get for the double container. At a time you can make for the 8 idlis also you want to make. You can make for the 8 idlis on this one. Just we'll keep it like this. We can close the lid and keep it in the microwave inside. So here we can go for the micro 60% we can select. So 540, set the time for 4 to 5 minutes of the time. Like suppose you want to make for the 8 idlis also 5 minutes, 4 idlis also 5 minutes it will be. 10 seconds is there. So your Rava idli is ready now. So what? See now? Okay, so now sim. So your Rava idli is ready. Okay, thank you.